Welcome back to Easy Driver, the final part of our Ford vs Kia series. Thank you for visiting us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. In this episode, we'll conclude our comprehensive comparison and present our ultimate verdict. Let's dive into the details. Ford offers a diverse range of vehicles to cater to various budgets and preferences. Whether you're looking for an efficient sedan, a versatile SUV, or a powerful truck, Ford has something to offer. Their price range typically starts from the more affordable end, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. In terms of options, Ford provides a wide array of trim levels, packages, and optional features to customize your vehicle to your liking. This ensures that you can choose the specific features and upgrades that suit your needs and preferences while staying within your desired price range. Kia, like Ford, offers a range of vehicles at different price points, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. From compact cars to spacious SUVs, Kia provides options for various lifestyles and budgets. Kia vehicles are known for their affordability, often offering competitive prices compared to other brands in their respective segments. This makes Kia a popular choice for those seeking value for their money without compromising on quality and features. Similar to Ford, Kia also offers different trim levels and optional packages to enhance the driving experience and cater to individual preferences. This allows buyers to find the perfect balance between price and desired features. Resale value of Ford vehicles. One aspect that often influences purchasing decisions is the resale value of a vehicle. Ford vehicles have generally demonstrated strong resale value over time. This can be attributed to factors such as their reputation for durability, reliability, and a loyal customer base. Ford's commitment to innovation and technology also contributes to their vehicles holding their value well. Features such as advanced safety systems, fuel efficiency, and technological advancements appeal to buyers even when it comes time to sell or trade in their vehicle. Resale value of Kia vehicles. Kia has made significant strides in improving its resale value in recent years. The brand's commitment to quality and reliability has paid off, making Kia vehicles more attractive to potential buyers in the pre-owned market. Furthermore, Kia offers a generous warranty program, which can enhance the resale value of their vehicles. A comprehensive warranty provides reassurance to buyers, leading to increased desirability and potentially higher resale prices. Customer reviews and satisfaction. When it comes to making a purchasing decision, customer reviews and satisfaction play a crucial role. Let's take a closer look at the feedback and reviews for Ford and Kia vehicles, as well as their customer satisfaction ratings. Feedback and reviews for Ford vehicles. Ford has a long-standing reputation in the automotive industry, and their vehicles have garnered a significant amount of feedback and reviews from customers. Many Ford owners appreciate the brand for its reliable performance, robust build quality, and innovative features. One recurring theme in Ford reviews is the satisfaction with the driving experience. Customers often mention the smooth handling, responsive steering, and powerful engines that Ford vehicles offer. Furthermore, Ford's commitment to safety features also receives praise, with customers highlighting advanced driver assistance technologies and solid crash test ratings. Another aspect that stands out in Ford reviews is the range of vehicle options available. Whether it's sedans, SUVs, trucks, or electric vehicles, Ford offers a diverse lineup that caters to various customer preferences. This versatility allows buyers to find a Ford vehicle that aligns perfectly with their needs and lifestyle. Feedback and reviews for Kia vehicles. Kia, a rapidly growing brand, has gained popularity for its combination of style, value, and reliability. Customer feedback and reviews for Kia vehicles often highlight their attractive design, user-friendly interfaces, and overall affordability. One aspect that frequently stands out in Kia reviews is the impressive fuel efficiency of their vehicles. Many customers appreciate how Kia cars manage to deliver great mileage without compromising on performance. Additionally, Kia's focus on infotainment systems and technology integration receives positive mentions, as customers find it easy to navigate and enjoy the various features. Customers also appreciate the comfort and spaciousness of Kia vehicles. Whether it's sedans, hatchbacks, or SUVs, Kia prioritizes providing a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience for both the driver and passengers. The quality of materials and attention to detail in the interior design contributes to a positive ownership experience for Kia customers. Customer satisfaction ratings for Ford. Customer satisfaction ratings are another valuable metric when evaluating automotive brands. Ford consistently performs well in these ratings, reflecting the overall positive experience that customers have with their vehicles. Ford's dedication to customer satisfaction is evident in various aspects, including their exceptional dealership experience. Customers appreciate the knowledgeable and friendly staff, prompt service, and transparency about repairs or maintenance. This commitment to providing a positive post-purchase experience contributes to high customer satisfaction levels. Furthermore, Ford's reputation for producing durable vehicles that withstand the test of time adds to the brand's customer satisfaction ratings. Buyers appreciate the longevity of Ford vehicles, which translates into a sense of reliability and trust in the brand. Customer satisfaction ratings for Kia. Kia has made significant strides in customer satisfaction over the years, earning praise for its continuous improvement in product quality and ownership experience. In customer satisfaction ratings, Kia often receives high marks for its commitment to after-sales service and overall value for money. Kia's generous warranty coverage is frequently highlighted in customer reviews, providing reassurance and peace of mind to buyers. This, coupled with their responsive and efficient customer support, contributes to a positive ownership experience. Moreover, Kia's efforts to enhance their vehicles' reliability and durability have paid off, with improved ratings in long-term quality and dependability. Customers appreciate the reliable performance of Kia cars, which translates into higher satisfaction levels. Conclusion. In conclusion, when comparing Ford and Kia, it is clear that both brands have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Ford offers a wide range of reliable and durable vehicles, with a strong focus on performance and versatility. On the other hand, Kia is known for its stylish designs, affordable pricing, and great fuel efficiency. Ultimately, the choice between Ford and Kia will depend on individual preferences and specific needs. It is important to carefully consider factors such as budget, desired features, and personal taste when making a decision. Conducting thorough research and test driving both brands can help in determining the best fit for your lifestyle and requirements. In the end, both Ford and Kia have established themselves as reputable automakers in the industry, each catering to different segments of the market. Whether you prioritize reliability and performance or affordability and style, both brands have options that can meet your needs. So take your time, explore your options, and make an informed decision that aligns with your priorities and preferences. Thank you for joining us in Part 3, where we finalized our comparison and presented the ultimate verdict in the Ford vs. Kia series. If you found this series informative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Stay tuned for more insightful series in the future. Until next time, happy driving. Thank you for watching.